everyone was saying, YouTube not taking your email. That was when I know something is wrong. Something gone wrong somewhere.
And where the jungle dunga bongo dunga go on? A jungle boss man, a big up iron and shelling. Shell them. Move from there. Quack, quack, quack.
Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For the past 2 days, I've been very sad. I'm actually crying. Like seriously, I'm not gonna tell you the truth. When it comes to my channel, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I actually break down. I wake up and realize that I don't have an email. I don't have a YouTube channel. Everything was gone. I don't know how to fix it. I don't know nothing. I'm puzzled. I've never come across a video on YouTube talking about your channel disappearing and all of that, being a YouTuber. So then now I was like, what happened? So I'm gonna be doing this video today to help someone that actually go through the same thing as me. Mine was very rough. I think I see videos because I went to watch other videos. I don't watch two. What do you do when you can't find your YouTube account or whatever? You know, because everyone was saying YouTube would not do that. YouTube would send you an email. YouTube would give you a warning. YouTube would do. But in my case, YouTube did not do. I lose everything, email, account, everything. So I figured that I was hacked. In order for all this to happen to me, I was hacked. All right, so someone got my email and I don't know what they do. So they did something that make YouTube wanted to terminate my account. I don't know what they did. I don't have a clue. So the first step that I know I have to take is to get back my email. I try signing into my email and it says it does not exist. But I decided not to give up because it's my email. I've been using this email from about 12 years ago. So there must be some way possible for me to retrieve back this email that someone have taken from me, and I did not give up. Yeah, with tears running down, I tried everything, and everyone around me was broken because they see how I love my little YouTube channel. It was just like a little hobby for me, you know, I get away from so yes, so today let me see if I can help you to retrieve back your terminated account. So if you have your email, that's good. Go check your email and find out what you were terminated for. Once you look in your email and you see what you were terminated for,
you're going to have to make an appeal. So you're going to have to go to your email and find the fault and make an appeal. Yes, you're going to fill it out and send it off to YouTube.
so this was what happened. I didn't have an email, so I didn't know why I was terminated. I didn't know what was the problem. All I know that this not sit well with me, you know. So what I did know, I call 112 person when I know is a computer tech for them to help me retrieve back my email. I happened to get back my email, which was good. So yesterday we are work overtime, no sleep, right? I got back my email, which was good. When I received back my email, I start to see light. I received message from YouTube calling, they weren't calling me the name, but they sent me some things what me don't know nothing about. You understand? So whatever the person did when they take my email, they go hard. It seems like they were targeting my YouTube channel and anything that I have associated with it. Because the things them that YouTube sent to me in those time that I was sleeping, it have spam, scam, right? So the things that were inside of the message that YouTube sent to me was one of the weirdest things I have ever seen in my life. I was like a terrorist You hear when I said the things them that YouTube send, because normally it would be copyright guidelines, so like simple things. Even these I never see the big YouTubers cover before. That was there, and I'm gonna see if I can click back on it and put a picture right here for you to see the things. I was like a terrorist. When I was looking at it, I feel like I was a criminal. I don't post these things on my channel. I don't know what the hell YouTube was talking about. And all of this happened when I put my head to sleep to wake up in the morning. So whatever the person was doing on my channel, they make sure. So I don't know if it was report. You know, you get report till you're tired of a person. I don't know what was the case. And I said, I am not this. There was also a link in the bottom of the message that says that if I think this information is not correct, I can appeal here. That evidently show you that YouTube themselves don't even know if the information is true. They just maybe get too much this and them just terminated my account. So what I did know, I know these things that I'm seeing here don't make no sense. So I messaged them and I said to them, I tell them the truth, my words, my sentence, my paragraph. I am a vlogger. And I stated the things that I post on my channel. I did not even ask YouTube to do nothing, because I know I never do all of these things that they're sending to me. So I just send them a normal message stating what I post on my channel, and I don't see my channel. And so what happened was that I write my sentence, my paragraph, my essay to YouTube. The claim that was thrown at me was not me. So I messaged them telling them the things that I post on my channel. Everything. I state that these are the things that I post on my YouTube channel. I don't understand the message that was left in my inbox, and I also let them know that my email was gone. So I guess they get from there that if my email was gone, something is fishy, because they're not supposed to take away my email. So I guess that was why I get back my account. And they asked me, when they give me back the account, they asked me to change my password, click this link and do all of that. So YouTube see that somebody mess with my account. Boy, you can be heartless. So I have received back my YouTube channel and I'm happy again. But it was in the twink of an eye, everything can gone. All because YouTube did not do their research. And if I did not appeal to the situation, then I would not have an account. So if you know that you're in the right, make an appeal. Check your email, find out why they take away your account, and if it is that you're in the wrong, please to state that you're in the wrong and let them know that you are willing to fix whatever you post. But if you know you're not in the wrong, tell them what type of content you post. So just tell them what type of content you post and let them do their review. But don't give up because it's terminated. You gave up. Unless you're in the wrong, you're gonna give up. I was not in the wrong, people. You can go and check my channel, Ayana Shellings. I was not in the wrong when I lose my channel. So that's why I can say to you, go and get your channel back. Because people out there can do things. People will report you and cause you to lose your YouTube channel. So as I said, just go to your email, check what they say about your channel, why it's terminated. I never have an email to check, and that was why my one was worse than everybody else. My email was gone, and that is when everyone was saying YouTube not taking your email. That was when I know something is wrong. Something gone wrong somewhere. So I have received back my account in 2 days. So all of this take place April the 27th, April the 28th. So 2 days. And It happened Monday. Monday was the 26th. So it's the 26th, 27th, 28th. So 3 days. I wake up Monday morning, no account. I've been trying to get back my email on the 27th. Receive back my email and receive back my account on the 28th. YouTube did work fast. So I guess they see something. Thank you so much, YouTube. YouTube, thank you for reading my appeal and for looking into my account and see that, oh no, this girl just did not do these things that people reported me saying that I was doing, or they hacked me or whatever they did. What do you guys benefit from someone downfall? So I have received back my account, guys, and that is the good news. So my account was terminated. I'm gonna show no see they terminated, and it is now restored. And here's my email after I got back my account. Yay! So thank you guys so much for listening to my sad story become happy story. You too go and get back your channel, because from you're watching this video, that means your channel gone. You need to know any more information, use the comment section, hit me up, find me on social media. Me will help you get back your account. Can you me know what you feeling? Me tell them a cry. And I'm smiling now. Alright guys, thank you.
And I said smile, girl smile, smile for me Jamaica. And I said smile.